23e leçon, 23rd lesson, le loto, the loto. So over here we are talking about the game loto. Qu'est-ce que vous faites, Jean? Qu'est-ce que, we know it is used to form a question meaning what is or what are. Vous is the subject pronoun meaning you. And faites, the original verb over here is faire, which means to do or to make. Let us go through the conjugation once. Je fais, tu fais, il fait, nous faisons, vous faites, ils font. Remember, in French we do not have the present continuous tense. So je fais, it can mean I do as well as I am doing, or I make as well as I am making. Qu'est-ce que vous faites, Jean? What are you doing, Jean? Je fais mon loto. I am doing my loto. C'est un jeu très intéressant. C'est, it means it is. And over here there is a liaison, so T at the end is also pronounced. C'est un jeu is a game. Très intéressant. Très, it means very. Intéressant, interesting. Again there is a liaison, so the S at the end of très is also pronounced. Très intéressant. AN is always pronounced as en in French. I am doing my loto. It is a very interesting game. Regardez. Regardez is used in the imperative form, and in case of imperative we get EZ at the end of the verb. Regardez, look. Vous prenez cette carte et vous choisissez une série de numéros. The original verb over here is prendre, to take. With vous the ending is EZ. Vous prenez means you take. Cette carte. Cette, we know it is used to say this, or it can also be used to say that with a feminine noun. For example, we know woman is a feminine word. So if I want to say that woman, I would use this word. Cette femme. So carte is also feminine. So we have used cette. Carte, it means card. Vous prenez cette carte, you take this card, et vous choisissez, and you choose a series of number. Une série means a series, and a is a connector meaning and. For example, ici means here. J'ai le 5, le 7, le 11, le 22, le 43 et le 48. Now, over here, we know that the avoir verb is used in present tense. Avoir means to have. J'ai means I have. And then the list of numbers is given. For example, here I have the 5, the 7, 11, 22, 43 and the 48. Ensuite means next. En, remember, is pronounced as en. Ui is always pronounced as oui. Ensuite. Vous mettez une croix sur ces numéros. Over here the verb used is mettre, to put. With vous the ending is ez. Remember, oi is pronounced as oua. So it is croix. X at the end is silent. Croix means a cross. Over here in choisissez as well, the oi is pronounced as oua. Choisissez. Continuing the line. En quoi sur ces numéros. Sur is a connector meaning on, and say it is these. Whenever the next word is in plural and we want to say these or those, we will use ces, say. Next, you put a cross on these numbers. Et vous donnez la carte au patron du tabac. And again, et and vous donnez Donner, the original verb er ending, it means to give. You give the card to the boss of tobacconist. Patron means boss. Tabac, tobacconist. On the next page, the translation is also given in case you want to read it once. Moving on to the next page, 87, where our lesson is continued. A alors, just now we saw A means and. Alors has two meanings, so or then. Over here it means then. Et alors, and then. Ba, vous attendez les résultats. Ba, it is given in note number 1. It is not really a noun, but it is a sound. And its meaning is something like, well, you know. Not very elegant, but it is very common and useful. So, ba, it is like, well, you know. And the another verb used is attendre, which means to wait for. Ba, vous attendez, well, you wait for the results. Remember, S is in the middle of two vowels, it is pronounced as Z. Résultat. Si vous avez choisi les bons numéros, vous gagnez. Si means if. Vous avez, you have chosen the right numbers, you win. Vous gagnez, the original verb is er ending verb gagner, to win. Also remember that the GN sound in French is pronounced as near. Gagner, near. Another important topic over here is of this word bon, which is given on the next page, note number 2. Bon vin, it means a good wine. Cette soupe est très bonne. This soup is very good. Don't worry, this bon, it is used with masculine noun and means good. Bon again means good, but it is used with a feminine noun. Est-ce que vous avez le bon numéro? Do you have the right number? Voilà la bonne réponse. There is the right answer. So bon, it can mean good as well as right. The word for wrong is faux. The feminine is faux. Faux numéro, a wrong number. The word for bad is mauvais. Feminine is mauvais. For example, a mauvais élève, it means a bad pupil. Again, I'll translate the line number 8. If you have chosen the right numbers, you win. Et vous avez gagné, and you have won. Gagné with E with an accent on top, it means won. It is the past participle. And you have won? No, pas encore. No, not yet. There is a liaison over here, so the S at the end of pas is also pronounced. Encore, it means yet. Pas encore, not yet. Bon, okay. Moi, moi means me. Je vais jouer. The original verb used is aller, which means to go. We have seen in the earlier lessons that aller is used to talk about near future, which is a separate tense in itself, futur proche. So, je vais, it means I am going. Jouer, it means to play. Je vais jouer, I am going to play. Je choisis, I choose. Le deux, I choose the two. Ensuite, we know it means next. Le 13, le 14, le 20, le 30 et le 32. Next, the 13, the 14, 20, 30 and the 32. On the next page, the translation is also given in case you want to read it once.